Hey, Dr. Albano, why do you
Yes.
flush out the knee before PRP
Oh,
injections?
good question. Come over here. I want to show you this. So we just flushed out a patient's knee. She has osteoarthritis in the knee. And what really happens with arthritis, there are all these microscopic inflammatory proteins that are in the knee, and they wreak havoc in there, and they cause a lot of pain, and they break down the cartilage of the knee. And so we flush out the knee in order to get rid of most of those. But we just did this on this patient, and I'm going to hold this up to the door here. Oops, I'm going to bring it down like this so we can now see. So you can see all these little white pieces, and some of them are not so little in there that are floating around. And these are little pieces of cartilage that are floating around in there. And so we just flushed that out of her knee. And that's not why we did it. We did it for the microscopic inflammatory ones. And that wreak havoc on the knee. But she has arthritis, and there's these little pieces of cartilage that are floating around. And so this helps get those out of there too. And then what we'll do later, usually a week later, we'll do PRP or whatever regenerative treatment we're going to do at that point in time. And it really helps. Like, for instance, with this particular patient, we did a procedure on her 6 years ago, and she's been coming back every year to get these, I call them oil changes because it's regular maintenance on the knee. And she has been doing great. And she just said all the things she was doing. She's running 10 miles and doing all these things. And I asked her, well, why do you keep coming back to do this? Because I want to keep running and doing all these things. It's doing great. I don't want to mess it up at all. And that's what we recommend. And there's studies that look at PRP and how long the duration lasts. And it's anywhere, depending on the study, 6 to 9 to 12 to maybe 15 months or so. And so that's why we recommend coming back every 12 months to do the oil change.